Hrvatski Telekom is the leading telecommunications operator in Croatia. Staying true to our role as a technological leader, we decided to create a service meant for the young people and their unique way of life. The task was to create a platform capable of communicating the way young people do. Of course, young people want more. They want more life, more fun, and more experiences. 75% of young people would rather spend money on experiences than on material belongings. This is why we came up with a campaign that represents an experience, containing offers and service activations made specifically for them. We gave them more, on the channels they use and services they love. We created a 360 campaign and packed it with unique content. We used innovative advertising formats on various channels. We introduced 24-hour customer service on social networks. We also held the first live YouTube media conference in Croatia, during which we introduced our offers alongside our influencers and our ambassador. They use their own communication channels, blogs, columns, and social media to share their experiences, which they captured using devices from our lineup. We created a large number of native articles and videos, which promoted the offer by talking about the experiences it offers. We created a web platform which enabled users to take part in a prize competition. We gave them the chance to win awesome experiences, an adrenaline-packed weekend in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, as well as a sailing trip with their friends on the Adriatic coast. For the first time in Croatia, we integrated the two fastest-growing media in the industry: digital, out-of-home, and mobile. We created a fun game on Go-To Digital City Lights, which you can play using your smartphone. The results are really impressive. The Experience More campaign is the most visited online campaign by HT ever. We achieved over 130 million impressions across all advertising channels, nearly 2 million interactions, and over 1.5 million video views. Our 18 native articles were opened 130,000 times, and our influencers have shared over 90 posts on social networks, blogs, and columns. We recorded 340,000 web sessions, 60% of which were made on mobile devices. We received over 4,300 video, photo, and GIF applications to our competition, and 14 of them experienced more with the best, completely unique experiences.